Delete that.
Yo, welcome back to Whole Time Real Estate.
That's more energy.
Man, come on, man. It's the beginning of the day. Leave me alone.
So what?
All right, so we're on our way back. Last vlog, we did the actual appointment. We were gonna go see the property over here on Street. Now we are going back. We're getting ready to have the viewing. So we went back to the office, called the seller, got under contract, and now we're getting ready to do the viewing. So we have about 6 investors that are coming to check it out. And yeah, anything you want to add, bro?
No, you covered everything.
All right, there it is. So yeah, we're on our way back over there, and we're gonna try to film it, without it being all weird. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna try to, show you guys exactly what we got going on our viewings. Yeah, on the disposition side. All right, see you in a minute.
Very respectful, so.
What's going on, man?
Yep.
How you doing? Happy New Year, man.
Good to see you. Happy New Year. We're good.
Cap swag, man.
Yeah, I know, man. I need that.
Ready to go in?
Yep.
Yeah, you go in.
What's going on, boss?
Good.
How you feel?
Good. How about you?
Pretty good. I'm glad it's not like cold. A little snackish. What's going on, boss?
What's up, man? My bad, tracking up before.
I know, right?
Probably was good there. ¿Ustedes están buscando una casa para comprar o para vivir?
No.
Para invertir. Sí. ¿En dónde andan buscando?
What's going on, boss?
How are you doing?
Pretty good.
Para venderlo.
Sí. Sí, para vender.
Like what you seeing? You saw the unit on top?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, 394 all the way up. Yeah. It's nice over there though. That's like.
Yeah, my family lives there, but I can't commute that once I.
Shit ton of fun. Yeah. Just calm down.
All right, Philip.
Yeah, Junior. Nice to meet you.
How you doing?
You Philip?
Yeah.
Oh, how you doing, sir?
Pretty good. I think we have 4 more.
4 more? I thought that was 3.
Get about you. I've seen this place like 40 times.
Yes.
Yes.
I just ring the doorbell. Somebody's there.
Yeah, we're here. We just had the first group leave. So I can meet you at the front door, me and my partner.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right.
All right. Okay.
You wanna go in there? Why are you still recording me?
Cause we shoot a vlog and
Yeah, there you go.
need people to record us. Come on. Go ahead.
All right, people. So we are still at the property. I think all of our buyers came and saw it. We're gonna hang around for like maybe another 10, 15 minutes. But one of our buyers that came in here first, they've already submitted an offer. He just sent me a text. I'm gonna thank him for one thing for you guys to remember. Any buyer that submits any offer, because they don't have to submit an offer, thank them for every offer that they submit, because they don't have to. I'm gonna let them know it's not asking, but it's really close to our asking price. So I'm gonna thank them and let them know, you know, I'll get back to you in the morning, because I want to, any property you want to get multiple offers, you know, get your highest and best. So I'm just gonna thank him for his offer, and I'll get back to him in the morning. But that's our first offer, 15 minutes showing the property. That's how you want to do it. That's how you know your stuff is priced right. You know what you do that.
All right. So that was it. That was our walkthrough. We just walked through the property over here and that's how we usually do things. We send out an SMS text and a email blast to all of our buyers, and we get them to come to a property all at the same time. Don't try to stagger it. I've tried that before. It gets stressful because you got to greet everybody individually at different times and get everybody to come at the same time. It creates a feeding frenzy.
Exactly.
It makes the anxiety go higher. You know what I mean? It's like a rush buy. It's like I don't know if you guys, you know, of course you guys been holiday shopping, but on Black Friday, all right, when you go in there and you want that laptop, when you see people around that laptop and just hovering around and grabbing them, that makes you lock in, and that makes you just be like, you know, it makes you emotionally impulse buy that laptop. We create that same type of feeding frenzy and that same type of like kind of auction anxiety around our showings, and it's been working. We get quicker offers. We get less pushback. People, you know, a little less inclined to nickel and dime you. So that's our reasoning for having everybody show up at one time. We want to create a very awkward moment. You know what I mean? So yeah, this showing that we just left, we had tenants. Another thing, don't be scared of tenants. You know what I mean? Like,
Build that rapport from the jump.
Exactly.
Day one. Don't wait till you got to walk through what you got to go through. Build that rapport from day one, so the tenant's not giving you no pushback as well, because we wouldn't even be able to get up in there if it wasn't for them. They can easily say, oh no, I'm busy, I'm doing something. Yep. So rapport. Build it up with everybody.
Right. So, and we did that. You know, I remember their names. You know, I remember they were college students, so I remember their majors, what year they were in. Mm-hmm. You know, all that stuff is important, man, because it creates comfortability, you know, with people that you're messing with. People do business with people that they're comfortable with. You know what I mean? We don't want them to go back and tell the property management, oh man, these guys, man,
assholes.
Yeah, right. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, and it might muck up a deal. So just be a person, be regular, yeah, create that feeding frenzy, man. And I'm telling you, it works every time. We already got an offer. We're just not leaving the property. We already have an offer. It's not what I want, but I mean, it's money.
Not far off.
Right, it's not far off, but it's not what I want. You know what I mean? So being the first quarter, you know, I'm trying to get a home run. You know what I mean? But and when they give you the offer, a lot, you know, even when you're first starting off, you might want to say first come, first serve. I know we did it too. You know what I mean? It's absolutely the wrong way to it's the worst way. It's the worst way to do this. Do not do first come, first serve. Like, I repeat, do not do first come, first serve. We already have an offer, but I'm taking offers for the next day. You know what I mean? you have to let, some people don't buy stuff quick. You know what I mean? Like, you might get a full asking price tomorrow. But since you said yes today and you sent them the AOC today, you know, now you missed out on money. And I'm not telling you nothing that I don't know. I did it, you know? So, yeah, just be patient. Take your time. When you, after you have your showing and your viewing and you have about 5, 6, you know, or plus buyers come take a look at it, when they give you an offer, just thank them for the offer, text them back, call them back. Hey, thanks for the offer. I'm going to be taking offers for the next day. So please, you know, if that's not your highest and best, please get your highest and best offer in, so that, you know, you could get this house if you want it. Got anything else to add, man?
Nah, that was a good showing. Even though it was so awkward. Like, I was so awkward walking around with this big ass camera, man. I did not mean to have my man's face so close, but
All right.
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. Like I said, I'm an introverted business owner. You gotta step out your comfort zone.
That's right. Man, so we're gonna try to do more vlogs like this, you know, just boots on the ground vlogs, because you cannot do this business from an office. Like, you just can't. Like, you can set up the systems, like the other guys do. Yeah, you can set up the systems and you could hire VAs and all that, but you have to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. So that's the reason why we even started this vlog. We wanted to, all the grunt work, all the little stuff that I see people that are missing in certain groups that I'm in, and you know, some of it is just like they're scared to do the little stuff. You know what I mean? So we're gonna show you everything. You know what I mean? We're gonna show you the walkthroughs, the accepting offers, getting offers that are under what you got the contract for. We're gonna show you every single thing, every single bump in the road, man, so that you could just get more comfortable for yourself to go out there and attack this beast, man. But till next time, man, Whole Time Real Estate, please like and subscribe, right? Like and subscribe.
Yes, please. IG at Phil Flips.
Yeah.
Snapchat P Dunbar 227.
That's right, man. Instagram J_Sway. Snapchat Sway FK. Please go follow us, man, and just, man, be a part of this journey with us, man. See you. Hey, why you do that?